Hey you guys, what is up? Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my channel. I do appreciate it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring the bell, and I will support you back. You know I will. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So today I'm super excited and I have a big fat smile on my face because I have my Ipsy box for August 2019. This is Ipsy Plus. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. That's all I have today. Oh my goodness. If you guys know the drill, you want to see what I get in my box, please keep watching and I'll be right back. Keep watching. This is amazing. So this is our August Ipsy Plus for this year, and it looks the same when you open it with the, I did get the yellow covering again, and it does say don't be pretty like you, or don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. So I have already opened this box and have actually used some of the products in here because I knew what was in here already. So I'm just going, I love the fact that Ipsy Plus has done something this time that they've never done before, so we'll talk about that. This month's theme is August 2019. It is Bury Yourself. And I think it's amazing. They have decided they're going to do these cards as opposed to those fold out things, those fold out sheets, which I think is amazing. Saving paper, especially for that. And if you don't know about Ipsy Plus, it is an actually upgrade from Ipsy, and it's $25 plus tax. Ends up being 26 something each month, and you get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products. Plus, they give you the option for add-ons, which those are from $3 to $12. So this month I got 3 add-ons, and I always get the $3 add-ons. So I did get add-ons this month, and yeah, this month is amazing, you guys. I'll leave my link down there if you guys want to try it. You're welcome to use the link. It gives me all these extra points that I can spend in the little shop. If not, that's fine too. I'm still going to show you guys what's in the box. The first thing we got in the box, or I got in my box, was a Hey Honey product, and you guys know how much I love Hey Honey. And this is the Hey Honey Take It Off Exfoliating Honey Peel Off Mask. And what I like about this, you guys know I'm not great with peel off masks, is that it's essentially you can do it like a regular peel off mask if you want, but you can also, this is the product, you can also put a really good layer of moisturizer underneath this, and you know, take it off really gently and not have to worry about it, you know, taking off your brows. It does say keep it away from your brows and stuff, but this values at $38 for this, and this is 50 mLs. So I love it, and it smells, it was safety sealed, but I've opened it and smelled it. I left the safety seal there. Everything I got that had the reason to be safety sealed was safety sealed in this box. It smells like some kind of fresh flowers or something. It's just really fresh smelling, so I love it. So that was the first item. The second item we got was a 5-pack of brushes, and they are the Be Beautiful You Fairer brushes, and they came in this beautiful little green and like teal sleeve, and there's 5 of them, and this is what they look like. They have this beautiful little ombre green effect at the bottom. You guys can see that. They are amazing brushes. There's 5 of them. There's a pencil brush, there's like a fluffy brush, there is a brow brush, there is a shader brush, and then there is a concealer cut crease brush right here. This one is really awesome, actually. These retail for $50 for all these, and I was like, ooh, wow, that's amazing. Out of 6 I wash these. I have used the brow brush so far just to go up underneath here with some highlight, so I already did do that. Another thing that I got was the Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer 50 SPF, and it is a hydrating and anti-aging foundation, a full size, and it looks like this. This is valued at $39.50. This is in the color light, and I do have this on my face right now, and I thought it was going to be a little too light for me, but I think it actually worked because I was able to kind of bronze it down a little bit. But you guys, this is a full-size foundation, and I am so proud of Ipsy Plus for sending a foundation. This tells me that they read, because everyone that I've seen for, you know, up to this point has gotten the color that they need. And if you didn't get it in your bag, you had the option to add it on, or your box. You had the option to add it on for $12. So I think that's really awesome, and that means that they're paying attention and they do actually go by what it says, because everything I've gotten so far from Ipsy Plus, I mean, even when I wasn't happy last month, it still matched up to my skin type and my skin tone. So I think it's amazing. So I told them not to send me nail polish, and guess what? They did not send me nail polish. So I'm happy about that. Also, I got the Pure Release Blue Lotus Daily Moisturizer, and this has 30 SPF in it. I did apply this underneath my foundation today. This is amazing. I have this in just the moisturizer without the SPF in it, and I love it. It dries down really quickly. This is what the package looks like. It's super, super amazing for under makeup moisture. It's because it sinks into the skin so quickly, and you're able to kind of not have to sit around and wait for your moisturizer to sink in when you have super dry skin like mine. So I did use this today. The only thing I do not like about this had a safety seal. This definitely smells like sunscreen. It does, but it doesn't matter, because I would generally only put this on, you know, to wear in the day, and I have the other one to wear when I go to work at night. So this is amazing, and this values at $45 for this one, and this is 50 mLs as well. And last but not least, the biggie in here, well, I don't know, they're all biggies in my opinion. This is the balm, and this is called the Balm in the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. It's a compilation of all the different amazing blushers, bronzers, and eyeshadows that they have, and this is Volume 2. This is the first balm palette I've ever had, and this is a value of $32. And here's all of our shades. So I have this Bahama Mama bronzer. This is called Down Boy, and it's a blush. This is called Frat Boy, it's a blush. This is called In Stain. This is the only one that says it is a long wearing staining powder blush. So guess which blush I chose when I went to go put on my blush? Of course I chose the long wearing stain powder blush. But it is super pigmented. I had to basically like go over my face with a little bit of powder afterwards, and like try to I had to say Down Boy, like this one. I had to say Down Boy because it is so pigmented, you guys. I mean, it is super pigmented, and when you put it on the face, it's just like pow in your face. And then up top here we have the Mary Lou Manizer highlighter, which I do use on my face. We have the, let's see, that is the Matte Russo, the Meet Matte Adore. This is a matte color. And then the next to that is the Alice Copper. It's the from the Rockstar palette right here. And then we have the Firm from the Nude something. It's a shadow and liner. And then we have the Matte Read, the Matrimony. This is a matte. This is the shadow and liner, and this is the shadow and liner as well. I would think that other one is a shadow and liner as well. I think this is too. Anyways, I love how you can do different things with all the different items. So yeah, so this is what we got in Ipsy Plus, and my add-ons are really pretty simple. I got one of the Belief, the Aqua Bombs. This is amazing. I did use this before I started my makeup as well, and I love it. It's very moisturizing, and I have never tried it, so I was super excited to get that. And then I also got this, y'all know I love weird lip stuff, right? I got this Smile in Your Ink Credible Jelly Shot Lip Quencher, and it looks like this. It has a flower in it. That's the reason I got it, because it has a flower in it. I thought that was really cool. And then the third add-on I got was the small thing of the Coco Cabana cream. I love this cream. I know a lot of people do not like it. This to me does not smell like burnt popcorn. This to me just smells like yummy goodness. It smells just like when it dries down, it goes into this beautiful coconut scent. And you know, we all have different pheromones, and our pheromones are gonna, if you guys don't like this, you know, give it to somebody who does, because it is amazing, and the people who do like it are absolutely head over heels with this stuff. I like both of these, except I don't like the pink one because I'm not a big pomegranate fan. But I do love the green and the orange one of those. So I think that was pretty exciting. All together, for all the things on the Ipsy Plus just by themselves, they have downgraded this as far as taking up less paper. Like I said, all together is $204.50. So I think that is amazing. That is an amazing value. And the things that came this month are just awesome. I have never seen a box go in and do a full-size foundation. Have you guys ever seen that, or am I just missing it? Like, I haven't seen that ever. So I'm thinking, yeah, okay, all right, Ipsy. We're trying to get it done, right? So I've put everything on my face except I haven't done my eyes, I haven't done my lips, and obviously like eyeliner and stuff. But I was thinking about dipping into a couple of these shades here while I was with you guys, and just kind of doing something kind of simple just to see how it works. And I do want to try one of these darker colors as a liner, but I'm not going to do anything crazy wild on my eyes. So I'm going to go into the Matte Russo. The Meat Matte Adore, this color right here, and I'm going to transition with this one, and I'm just going to focus and fast forward, and we're going to play with this palette together. So I've already used the bronzer here. I've already used the it should be called Insane. It's called Insane. This stuff, I've already used it, and I've already used the Mary Lou Manizers for my highlighter. So we're going to start with this Meat Matte Adore and just get a really quick eye look. So I will be right back. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with. I think it's gorgeous. I think the palette performs beautifully. I'm going to use my Ciate Wonder Wand mascara here just to put my mascara on while I'm talking about this look. I do like the way that the shadows perform. They're nice and easy to blend. I think that the darker color, these two colors here, the two darkest colors, this one and this one, out of the two, I think that this one performed better as a liner. This one performed better as an outer corner, just to kick it up a little notch. You guys might not have seen me use both of them, but I did use both of them in the outer corner. But once I put that super darker color, it really just give it a nice pop of color, and I made that outer V stand out even more. As far as the bottom of the palette, like the blush and the bronze, amazing. I love the way that the blush looks. I haven't tried the other blushes, but I know that they're going to work amazing. They're gorgeous. And I did, mention that you can use those as shadows too, some of them, except for that one. The Insta Stain, I would not use as a shadow unless you want your eye to stain. But I don't know, we might have to play around with that next time we use it, and just kind of use those pinks as shadows, and then go in with the pink and maybe do some of that that Mary Lou Manizer, like a pink and like a that champagne color. As far as this goes, this Ipsy Plus for me is definitely a huge win, and I am super happy with my box, and I think that this is the best month. I just remember every month saying that, like, this is the best month, except for last month. I remember saying that this is the best month I've gotten. I think this is the best month everybody's gotten out of the hole. I do. And I have noticed there's a trend with Ipsy Plus. Sometimes when people decide to get Ipsy Plus, they do have a lot of leftover product that was not sent, was not sent in previous Ipsy Pluses. Like, for example, the Mob Obsessions palette. I know a couple of friends who got the Mob Obsessions palette last month instead of whatever we got last month. I don't even remember now, but I know that there's a couple of people who signed up just to get the Sunday Rally, the CEO cream. They didn't get that. They had gotten something else instead, and that's because, so there was so much left over. I specifically asked Ipsy a lot of questions whenever I had some, the complaints that I had from last month, and I was able to get quite a few answers for you guys, and just in general, just so we would know. But yeah, that's the reason. If you guys sign up and you don't get the same box that everybody else gets or something similar, it's because they do have a lot of leftover product in the warehouse, and it's an issue of, getting that product out to people that haven't gotten that specific product, and, making sure that, trying to stay within the theme of what they're doing for that that box. So, and that's pretty much all I know. Right now I'm going to put on this Maybelline Super Stay Ink Crayon. This is in the color, I don't know, it's the pink. I'm going to put this on to match my hot pink blush. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good formula. I don't know why I've never used that. It's just been sitting there. I haven't used it. So yeah, so this is my look from Ipsy Plus. Ipsy Plus, I am so proud of you for letting us get a foundation and all the other products that I got. Me specifically, I love the brushes. The $204.50 value on this. The brushes cost the most, and then everything else, there was nothing that was below $30. So there was not one product that paid for the box. Everything was above that. So, and then the add-ons that I got are awesome, and I'm super excited about it. So yeah, tell me what you think. Are we box twins? Do we get the same products? I know there was a variation with that Pure Lease. I know some people got a Murad product, other things. So yeah, tell me what you got down below, and tell me what you think of the box that I got. Tell me what you think of this eye look. If it's pretty, do y'all like it? I do. I think it's really pretty. I think it's nice for an everyday look. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, tap subscribe, hit ring the bell, and I will support you back. I will. And as always, I love you guys, but I will not argue with you. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Comment down below. Let me know. What'd you get in your Ipsy Plus? Is it the bomb? Yes. Bye.